just got to the park, and the next thing I knew, she was up in a tree. Again!
Don't worry, I'm here to save her.
Do you have the hiccups?
Even superheroes get hiccups, but it won't stop me from saving your goat. Don't worry, little goat. Starbeam is here to help.